Today's open house day. Yep, Sunday we have open houses, 3 open houses, and even though it's snowing, we have cleared the properties. And you know what? That's what SUVs are for. That's why we have 4-wheel drive. I'm on the road right now. It is very safe so far. I don't know how it's going to be later. It is now 12 o'clock, but stay tuned, and when we get closer to 1, we'll know more. And if it isn't a great time to go out, then we'll let you know. But right now we have 3 open houses: 13 Orangeburg Road in Old Tappan. The other one is over in Washington Township. It's a condo at the at Washington Pond. Really beautiful 2-bedroom that just came on the market. And we have 111 Klein. All properties that are must-sees. Yesterday we had an influx of so many people at Klein, like 15 people, 15 families. So hope you're getting your boots on, and we're going to be salting the properties and cleaning them up so that you can come down and visit our properties. DM me if you have a question or you need a private appointment. Bye.